want to hear this though, so I've just
they
got...
don't. Why I didn't want to say on camera, but it was my mother. That was very.
Well, she's not going to see this.
No.
So maybe
not.
you could say it. Maybe don't say who it is. Just...
That's what I was trying to just say. People in
Okay.
their life. But it's just because that's all they ever knew was the medical. You know, they never knew anything else. That's just because that's what you do here is go to the hospital. Okay, so are we?
I might have to go handheld. I'm just going to take this off because I think it's easier. Okay, so we're good. So you guys can just kind of pretend I'm not
So do you want to go ahead and sit up on the
here.
table first? Okay. So have you been experiencing any dizziness or blood vision, any leg cramps? I don't see that you have any swelling going on in your feet at all. No, okay.
They're good.
Okay.
So much better than last time because I'm not working.
Can you hold your feet up just one more time?
Sure.
Okay.
(122/74), so that's good. Just listen to your heart here. That sounds great. That's at 80. Okay. So go ahead and lie down. Okay. So you're 27 weeks. So this is.
I'm gonna stop you.
Okay.
So I'm gonna. Do you feel comfortable to have this
Yeah,
right here? You
yeah.
sure?
Oh, totally.
I won't see
As
it.
long
at all.
as it won't
It won't
muffle.
distract. Oh no, it won't. Okay.
So this is a 27-week gestation baby that's probably about 6.5 to 7 pounds at birth.
Okay.
You might be a little bit bigger
Like
than that.
a little bit bigger.
Things, but just so you know, so we have that
Okay.
there. So let me go. My hands are a little cold.
That feels good. I'm a little warm. I'm always warm these days.
Where's the baby been kicking all over?
Pretty much on my left side.
Okay. Let's see what it feels like down here.
I've got to get in a different light here.
Okay.
Can we? I guess the curtains are.
Should
Is
we
there any
open
more
it?
lighting?
You want to open it?
Just a little bit more light,
So
or
here, let me turn this
for
on.
some reason a little darker over here than in
There's
that
that.
spot.
I'm
Yeah,
gonna
that's
do
good.
this like this.
Yeah, that's good.
Is his
Now, do you
noises?
want
Is that
this?
going to be?
I'm just gonna get some little
Okay.
noises.
I'm afraid he's messing
a baby.
with the sound.
He's a baby.
Like this. Oops.
He's perfect. He's real.
He
This is reality.
Yes,
Have
it
you
is.
had that in some of your videos?
Oh
Some
yeah.
of the babies, yeah.
Good.
Oh yeah, for sure. I mean,
Does that give a lot more light?
that's better. Yeah, it's awesome. Thank you so much for doing that. That really makes a difference. Now I can see your face without a shadow.
good.
Oh yeah, here's the back right here.
That's okay.
Yeah,
That
there's
explains
the
it.
baby's back. Looks like there's the baby's butt. Here's the heads right here,
Okay.
and then you get little feet up
That's
in
where
here.
I'm getting my kicks.
Okay, let's measure you and see what's going on.
Okay.
Measure from the top of the pubic bone. I'm getting like 28 centimeters, and so you're not too far off. So you're
Okay.
right in there. It could be, going through a little growth spurt, which
Sure.
you do. I know you do.
I do.
Okay, this is a little cold.
Okay.
We need to get a little bit better, stronger than that. There, a little bit better right there. So your range is like 147 to 155.
Okay.
And it's been okay for you to be on your back so far?
Yeah.
You haven't had a problem with it?
No.
Sometimes when you get further along, sometimes the baby presses against your vessel.
Yeah.
And did that happen last time?
It did, but not until the very end.
Okay. So we'll just pay attention to that.
Yeah.
Okay.
I still wake up sometimes on my back.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, as long as you are not feeling lightheaded
No.
or dizzy, you're probably okay, and you don't feel the baby really kicking to get off of that position.
No,
Probably
not
okay.
at
And then
all.
we usually will keep an eye on that. So, would you like me to draw on your belly to show you who the baby is?
Sure.
Did we do that last time?
No, but that sounds like fun.
I'm not the best artist.
I won't judge. I'm not either.
Okay, so let me see what. So the way the baby feels like the baby is kind of like this. So.
I have a question.
Uh-huh.
Is there any way you could come around this side to do it?
Oh, I'm a lefty.
Just to draw it?
I'm a left-handed person.
Okay,
It's
so
really, let me try, but
if you can't, we can
You know
do it
how
the other
we
way.
have our
It's just
angles with-
I totally like that with even palpating. For me, it's
I
hard
know,
the
I
other
have
way.
to be on a certain
I know,
way 'cause
but
it
the
feels
lighting would
awkward.
be
Oh,
amazing
is
on this
better.
side. Yeah.
Have you
if we
gotten
could-
that yet, where somebody's drawing on their bellies?
No, it's fabulous. This is so good. Oh, the lighting is absolutely
Okay.
way
so
better.
The baby's here. Okay, this is where it gets a little. Right over your belly button. You can feel a little another foot kind of out here. Let me see if I can get that in there somehow. This gets a little more difficult. Oops, we got to start all over on this. This is not working. This is, I'm going to have to come from the other angle. I can't see my...
Okay, let's finish it from the other angle then.
Yeah,
it's
but
perfect
this
to,
is,
up to this.
Yeah, but this is, I didn't even get this right on here.
Really?
Yeah, no.
It looks
no.
right.
It looks horrible. It looks like
I can't see anything.
He looks a little bit
it looks.
sticking over his head a little that way, but
I can't see.
you know what?
You think it's okay? Well, at least
I
it
mean,
gives
he's
it-
28 weeks. He's
That's
allowed
right.
to be in that position.
That's right. Okay.
Let's
It's
wait though.
just
Don't
a-
do anything else until
Okay.
I come over here.
Okay.
And now you can. You're absolutely fabulous. This is so beautiful. I want to get your face smiling. Whoopsie. Sorry, I'm stuck there. Your face kind of smiling about it a little bit, and then
Okay. So, okay.
go ahead and talk to him if you want to, Leslie.
Yeah. Did you draw Dada? Dada? He was signing doggy earlier.
This would be a little.
Dada.
Oh, Dada.
Dada. Now he's gonna look around for him. Dada.
Can we get a thumb? Something like that. But anyway, you get an idea about the size of the baby. I would say your baby feels right now? Maybe about 2 pounds.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think you feel about 2 pounds. Because I know, yeah, how big was he?
He was 8'3".
Yeah, I think that's
Yeah.
about what it feels like. So it's like I say, I'm not the artist, but you can definitely get an idea. So what we're going to have you do is make sure you always roll over to your side. You're getting kicks?
Yeah,
Or you getting like a little hand maybe?
Yeah.
Oh, well then I got a hand in the wrong place.
Well, it probably just moved. I just kind of felt a roll.
Oh, you felt another roll.
Yeah.
Okay.
Still moves around a lot.
No, you feel really good. You don't have any stretch marks. You're looking really good.
I didn't get any with him, so
Okay.
I'm crossing
And you're
my
making sure you're
fingers.
taking your essential fatty acids and your DHA.
Yes.
Okay. And how's your energy level been feeling?
Good. Better than it was first trimester, but I'm just with him. I just get tired easily.
Sure.
But
Sure.
yeah,
Okay.
it's getting
But
better.
You're eating enough protein. You
Oh,
feel like
yeah.
you're getting enough protein.
Yeah,
Okay.
definitely.
Okay, so make sure that you roll over to your side now to get up.
Okay. Okay.
And then I can help you with your...
Okay. I want to see my drawing.
Yeah, you can stand in front of the mirror here.
Oh, there we go.
Kind of see the size of it. Now when you stand up, the baby comes out, so it's going to feel
yeah.
like it might be a little bit different.
Oh, how cool is that?
Yeah, so you get an idea. It's kind of a fun thing to do
That's
from
so
time to time, you know.
That's cool. What do you think, son?
Do you see the baby on there? Oh, Warren. Hi, sweetheart.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so can we stop for a second?
Sure.
I gotta pee. I gotta pee